Today, as a nation, we are going through unprecedented healthcare crisis due to the coronavirus. Our doctors and healthcare professionals in the front line are doing all that they can to help defeat this virus. We in Ashok Leyland wanted to leverage our knowledge of mechanical, electrical and electronics and control systems to develop a ventilator that can be used by the masses and help the healthcare system to combat this coronavirus. We started with a design, open source design from MIT. We took the design, then we spoke to a lot of healthcare practitioners both in India and abroad to understand what exactly a COVID patient would need, particularly the patient with ARDS. Based on that, introducing Ashok Leyland ventilator. This ventilator can be used in both invasive and non-invasive mode, and thereby this enables us to be able to offer this for a wide range of patients suffering from COVID.
This smart electromechanical ventilator is precisely calibrated to deliver high-end performance, making it a last-mile life support for most COVID-19 patients in the intensive care unit. It accommodates all the adult variant AMBU bags available in India, with a compact design that weighs only 8 kgs, making handling much easier. We've designed a user interface in close collaboration with doctors and ICU professionals, ensuring that all critical parameters like tidal volume, respiratory rate, and IE ratio are precisely set and displayed. The user will get a detailed overview of the patient's ventilation status so that swift actions can be taken. The ventilator's bright backlit LCD display shows all of the important monitoring parameters clearly with larger font size, making it easier to see the information even from a distance. Just a glance at it shows you all set parameters, as well as critical patient parameters such as peak inspiratory pressure, plateau pressure, and positive end expiratory pressure values in real time. Ashok Leyland ventilator supports CMV mode with volume controlled ventilation, including assist control as an option. The ventilator's intelligent assist mode synchronizes automatically with the patient's breath cycle, providing them breathing support as their respiratory system regains strength. Our system continuously monitors the pressure settings and alarms the user in case of any abnormalities in plateau pressure, peak pressure, and peak pressures. Ashok Leyland's ventilator has been created keeping the safety of the patient at the center of it all, and has followed the protocols practiced by the medical device industry and consulted experts belonging to that domain. The mechanism is designed in such a way that the AMBU bag can be safely removed in case of emergencies. We understand many lives depend on the proper functioning of our product, and hence, we've ensured its reliability by giving it a compact design, ensuring low noise levels, readying it for the most extreme duty cycles, and ensuring TUV testing procedures, complying to all safety standards meant for portable ventilators. We've gone further to ensure that our ventilator is the most complete portable ventilator with extra features like a provision for oxygen blending to maintain FiO2 concentration, compatibility with the endotracheal tube recommended by doctors for COVID-19 patients with an ARDS case, HEPA filter integrated to exhaust line to protect the doctors and the patient's environment, a complete plumbing kit carefully selected for the end user of COVID-19, state-of-the-art diaphragm valve in the exhaust line to avoid volume loss and improved efficiency, variable standalone PEEP setting as per doctor's requirements. Also, the ventilator is designed to take up standard power supply with inbuilt SMPS. Its system base has been designed to ease the handling of the clinicians. All that is serviceable with just 30 minutes. We've ensured spare parts can be replaced to increase its lifespan further, so doctors don't have to throw it away after use.
At Ashok Leyland, we always say safety first. We've therefore covered all aspects of safety: the product, the attendant, the patient, etc. The cross-functional development team of nearly 50 engineers here in Ashok Leyland, fairly young and dedicated, has put in 24/7 effort for the last few weeks. They've been innovative, energetic, fun-loving and dedicated for the larger cause. Simply superb to see that the future India is in different but very safe hands.
Because difficulties may come and go, but we can overcome them all, as long as we are together.